Hello, welcome to Stampin by Hannah. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have got a bit of a different video for you this week. Instead of a video where I share a project with you, because it's been a bit mad. This past week has been a bit crazy. We are in the start of December now, which means my son, my middle child, turned 4 at the weekend. And so getting time to craft has been a little bit hard to come by. So, instead of a project, I do have a whole box of crafty goodness. So, this catalogue and Sale-a-bration are due to start in January. And so, as a demonstrator, I get the fabulous perk. Excuse me, I'm just adjusting my chair. Trying to film this in a hurry before my youngest son, who's 11 weeks old today, you watch this, wakes up from his nap. So, yeah, all a bit crackers. Yeah, George turned 4 on Saturday, and I just didn't get a chance to make anything at all. So, I thought I would share my pre-order. As a demonstrator, I am very lucky in the fact that I get to pre-order from upcoming catalogues. So, the pre-order for this catalogue started super early this year on the 19th of November, which was like, it's 2 weeks earlier than we normally do. But we've got ages of this catalogue and Sale-a-bration. So Sale-a-bration starts in January. You get to earn free things just for shopping, anything on the online store. So that's this catalogue, it's the annual catalogue, it's online exclusives, whatever you like. You could buy £50 or £55 worth of clearance if you wanted to and still get to choose something for free. So, would you like to see what I got? I can't show you inside the catalogue, but I can show you what I bought. So, first thing, actually, is online exclusive. And it's the colour code. I love this. I am going to be using this in some videos coming up. I have a plan. But you can get your own one of these. I think they're about £11. They are self-assembly, just a warning. They come with a split pin. Super easy just to layer the two pieces together. But yeah, you've got all of the kind of main colours, Stampin' Up! Colours on here. None of the in colours, but you know what, that's fine. That's fine. But it teaches you about colour. So we've got, these colours in this one are complementary colours. These are I can't say the word. Yeah, complementary, tridactic. Just, yeah, fantastic. Monochromatic. So if you want to do a monochromatic card in yellow, you could do that. Isn't it cool? So yeah, that's the new colour coach. We've had colour coaches before, but they've never done anything like this. I think that's really cool. Like I said, that's on the online exclusives. I actually think that's available to customers now as well. I missed the pre-order for online exclusives this time because it was just a bit, yeah. And then I got some boring stuff as well. Boring Stampin' Seal refills because I was running out, which is terrible. And the other thing I got, which is a boring necessity type thing, is a pack of Willow White in the 12x12. I had no 12x12 white cardstock left, and we've got some scrapbooking things coming. So I, wanted some 12x12 to do some memory keeping for my children. So I'm going to start. That will be coming to you soon. So let's have a look. This one, I've got a couple of stamp sets that sell standalone and a couple of sweets. So this is one of the standalone stamp sets. I love this. This is just one single stamp. One single, really lovely, big, happy birthday. Sorry, that because I'm on a ring light, you're going to see that ring light a lot. Hadn't thought about this when I bought a ring light. But yeah, really lovely font, really nice and big. Really simple cards with that, because you're just going to need, like, you did a really nice piece of DSP, that heat embossed on the front. Gorgeous. Might have to do that. Then, and I've used this stamp set already for my son's birthday card, which will be probably on my Instagram today. So if you link us in the down bar below for that. This is Darling Dinos, stamps and dies, and it's so cute. Like, I stamped this dinosaur here and I put him in the birthday hat. Like, how cool. Super cute. Cut him out with a die. Fantastic. And the sentiment's really funny. So you've got raw means, and there's a gap, and then in dinosaur, but that's all one stamp. So you can put raw means happy birthday in dinosaur, or raw means I love you in dinosaur. So that's, I really like that. I think that's really cool. I think my son, George, who's 4, he's a dinosaur fanatic. He really likes the dinosaur. So this is going to be in my collection for a while. And my second son, who's 11 weeks, is probably going to be into dinosaurs too. So I think this one might be in my permanent collection. Gonna preempt that already. Then, right, they're all Sale-a-bration. I'll get to those in a minute. Let's do some of the sweets. I absolutely love this one. This is what's on the front of the catalogue. It's birthday Sale-a-bration and wildflower birthday is the name of the sweet. And this is really cool. So you've got papers, standard, you know, papers, but how gorgeous is that? How gorgeous, with the gold foiling on, just absolutely stunning. I'll turn it around, the right way up. So yeah, you've got gold foiling, stripes, pretty florals. What's on the other side of that? Like a Dixie print. Really nice. Lovely scallops and some leaves. And another really pretty floral. And a pink gingham. Gorgeous. And then you've got this page, which for me feels really old school, like a proper old school scrapbooking paper, where you've got the panels that you can cut out. But also, there is a single sheet, there's just one sheet of this, of die cuts. And these are going to fall out of here so quick. I'm going to try and keep them in. But they are stunning. Absolutely stunning. Love that. So that's the papers. Then you've got these that are called party dots, which I think are really cool, in some really lovely colours. What are the colours in here? Blueberry bushel, old olive, peach pie, pool party, pretty and pink, soft sea foam and gold. Like really nice, pretty colours. And then the birthday Sale-a-bration stamp sets. This is photopolymer. I think everything I got this time was photopolymer actually. Photopolymer, really lovely, nice birthday sentiments. But then you've also got the dies, and the dies include all of the numbers. So you've got all your numbers, and then you've got you can make a banner basically, which I thought was really lovely. So yeah, really nice, really handy to have suite of products. And the other suite I got, it's called Friends of the Ocean. Oh, I think that is part of that suite as well. This is what's it called? Open weave trim. Oh, and it's like it's so, I've actually put tape on it as well. So it's right. Oh yeah, I think this is part of the previous. It's like a gold open weave, really open weave. Really lovely. I mean, like just a piece of that laid as like a layer on your card would be lovely, without even thinking about trying to tie bows with it or anything else. Very pretty. So yeah, the final suite is that I bought. There's quite a few suites in this catalogue, but this one, the one that I got, which is Friends of the Ocean. And what really, I'm not a massive ocean person, in that I live in the middle of the land. Don't go to the beach very often. Do love sitting by the sea though. what attracted me to this is the colours. The colours in this paper. So you're thinking ocean, berry burst, calypso coral, lemon lime twist, melon mambo, pumpkin pie, and summer splash. That is pinks and oranges. Like this paper is loud, really loud, but stunning. So you've got lovely prints, kind of standard prints on one side, and then lots of lovely sea life on the other. So you've got lobsters and crabs. There's a piece of kind of ombre paper, coral and starfish, and I just think it's lovely. I'm really looking forward to playing with that. I can see a scrapbook page with my holiday photos with that, I'm sure. So yeah, so there's that paper. I'm gonna just spread that out a little bit so you can see it. Then you've got the Ocean Friend stamp set. So, and this is two-step stamping. So you stamp the solid one first and then the detail over the top. And that's really lovely. And the dies that go with it. Haven't opened these yet. Haven't used these dies yet. Oh, did I get... Oh yeah, no, I have. I'm thinking, I used 2 sets of dies on William's George's birthday card. I did. I used the dinosaurs and the birthday celebration. So you've got a die for the lobster and the crab, but then you've also got kind of this lovely like wibbly wave, and some starfish and this fantastic piece of coral. That's gonna be, I can make some fabulous cards with that. And the Soft Waves 3D embossing folder. This is one of those thick ones. So, and it's a 6x6. So you will need to use your Stampin' Cut and Emboss your big one for this. But it's so pretty with your... Look at that. Really, really lovely. Really... Oh, yeah, that's going to make really... It's... Because it's waves, it's really rounded. It's not one of those ones that's got like jaggedy bits on. That's going to be really nice. And then the last thing in the suite is your Sunny Day iridescent dots. And they're lovely. They've got a bit of sparkle, a bit of shimmer in them. And they are lovely. Love those. So that is that last suite. I'm going to call it Ocean Friends. I can't remember what it's actually called. Friends of the Ocean. And then, because of all of that, I got to choose 4 freebies from Sale-a-bration. And I've got 3 stamp sets and an embossing folder. So we've got Day to Celebrate, Documenting the Day. Love that big day stamp, really like that. This I thought was really funny. Friendly Seagulls. Thought that with the ocean. I think that's going to work really well. Crab and chips, anybody? And then this is the Starstruck embossing folder, which I've got to admit, when I first looked through the Sale-a-bration brochure, completely missed. But it's really pretty. Yeah, really, really pretty. Really like that. So yeah, that is, and I got all of those. I got those for free. How cool is that? So, like I said, we are already in demonstrator pre-order for this catalogue. And if you like the look of anything in here, you can always grab a starter kit and pop any of these items into your starter kit now, which would be really cool. I do have a order of catalogues on the way to me. So if you would like a catalogue, do just drop me a message. Probably Instagram or Facebook, best place to get me. And I can pop one of those in the post to you when they arrive. So yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. A little bit of a shorter video. Just as chaotic as normal. Because my brain is all over the place, but never mind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you really, really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.